Check out my bearing. Check this out. It's toast. Look at this. It's completely shagged. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know. The bearings are all. Oh my. So much for just doing the tyre. Let's see what we get out of it. So we got this bit out. I'm just making, probably don't make any sense. What is that? What is this piece? Oh my, there's like, what is that? Okay, yep. Well, this is the bearings. Finally got them out. Look at that. Yum. Yep. Got the new tyres mounted. That was the easiest part of the whole job. So yeah, now I just gotta put some new bearings in. Lovely. This one looks better. Yep, that'll do it. Nice and clean in there. Got the right one. That'll do it. Cool. Get that in there then.
A few moments later.
Sweet. Smooth as a politician just before voting day. Look at that. Nice. Voila. Another good one. Red means it's going to go faster as well, so that's good. Sweet. O-ring goes on here. Done. Right, so the next issue I've got is this spacer, the bearing race. Now, so you can see it properly. Ooh. This part of the old bearing is stuck on this spacer. So I've got to get that out. You can't even see the shoulder. It's like not even a crack there. Alright. I'm off to get some flame from a friend. Looks like I won't be on the Postie for.
A few minutes later.
Fat. Okay, so we've got the sprocket one to do. Bearing. Sweet. Got a seal.
Are you going back together again?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep, hopefully I've got it the right way around.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, sure. Your bearings as well.
Yeah, I got that thing off. That was a mission.
Yeah. Yeah.
I tried heating it, and then I just did use the rust off stuff, and then just sort of worked it on the vice.
Yeah.
So hopefully that's all right. Yeah. So the space is in, seals in. Looks good. Put these things in. Yeah. Cool. Yep, that'll do. Sweet. Something else was around here. Here we go. Spacer. Plop. Look at that. Done. And on the back we have the brake. I don't know where this goes, somewhere in there. Chunk, chunk. Done. Look at that. Woof. So straight. push in. So go back again. There she is. There she is. Yep. Sweet. Alright. Let's see how we go. Put on some gumboots for extra protection. Nice. See if anything falls off. So far, so good. All done. Sweet.